Good morning! This is Mami Shirley from Ang Sarap Grabe. Ngayong araw na ito ay magluluto tayo ng masustansyang ulam na pasok sa ating budget. Ito ay tortang talong na kakaiba dahil ito ay luto sa Llanera na hindi na kinakailangan pa ng mantika. Ang eksaktong measurement nito ay makikita sa dulo ng ating video.
I look at you, you make me blind. Why do you have to be so beautiful all the time? I know I can't be with you. It's killing me to see you with someone else. What to do? Now I'm in the corner and watching you smile, watching you smile.
Para malaman kung luto na ang ating talong, tusukin lang ito ng tinador o kutsara at kapag malambot na ito, it means luto na ito.
All of the things that I wish I could tell you, every time when you pass me by, I fall in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine. And if I only could be there to hold you, it feels like I stop breathing when you're around. I'm in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine.
Hey, where have you been? I've been looking for you now and then. Someone just like you.
Ayan guys, at na-chop ko na ang ating mga ingredients. Ito yung mushroom, sliced hotdog, spring onion, capsicum or bell pepper na ginulay ko kanina, carrot at itlog.
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. You in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you so long. I met you in the to do. I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself now and then. I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you so long. I met you in the I met you in the if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I met you in the summer when you left, it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you for so long. I met you in the
Hindi kaya. Dalawa. Okay. So, dalawa lang talaga ang kasya sa aking steamer. At alam ko sa inyo, may magko-comment na ipatong na lang. So, pwede naman siya ipatong. Pero ang kinakatakot ko kasi, baka umansya siya na matouch yung bottom ng isa pang Llanera sa ibabaw. At ang aking takip ay flat lang siya. Kaya, hindi talaga siya ayun. Hindi siya mako-closed. Okay? Hanggang dalawa. Huwag ipilit. Huwag ipilit pag ayaw. Yan. Bago natin ito isalang, make sure na kumukulo na yung ating tubig over medium-low heat. I-steam ito for 10 to 12 minutes. Ito guys, mamaya, lulubog pa siya. So, tsaka lang natin siya tatanggalin sa Llanera. And now, it's done. Our tortang okra sa Llanera. Guys, ang ganda-ganda niya talaga. Promise. Kain po tayo. Wow, juicy. Alam guys, I really recommend to use banana leaf while steaming this kasi kumakatas din yung pinaka-flavor ng banana leaf at kumakapit doon sa ating torta or sa egg. Kain po tayo. Sabi ko na nga ba. Kumapit talaga. Ang sarap. Simple ingredient. Ang dami-dami na natin makuha ang sustansya dito guys. Ang sarap. No oil. Steam lang. Okay na. Sarap. 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 Ayan po guys, kung gusto niyo ma-shoutout dito sa ating channel, pakitype na lang, shoutout para madali ko kayo makita. Ayan po guys, be safe, be healthy, and be happy. Bye guys! Bye, bye, bye!